that building over here, right there. But I read in the sign this could be a cold storage place. It's a huge place they built on Paris Road, off Paris Road. Come Big Rudy. He got some ice. No, he didn't buy ice. He's got ice in his box already. That's what I call a pin, that body of water right there. When I say I'm fishing the pin, that's it. Alright folks, they built a nice dock. I don't know if you'll see that. Built a nice dock all along here. They got a building up here, they building, I don't know what that's for. That might put a little store in there, I guess. I hope they'll run this to Tony out. They're fixing up the Gulf Outlet Marina, big guys. A lot of money they're spending here. I guess they'll give Bevan some competition. A lot better parking lot, I know that. Pretty day, folks. Gorgeous out here. Alright folks, I don't think you want to swim in the pen right here. That bad boy right there. Either he thinks I don't see him or he don't care. There you go. You don't want to swim in here, folks. Two at a time, two at a time. Oh yeah, nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. He might make it. Oh yeah. Slow down a little bit, folks. But we'll be in for a second. Have what they call a trout slam, a feeding frenzy. Is that a little trout? I got one too. There it comes. There's big trout. Whoa.
Skinny. Kind of dried up here for a little bit. Back on them, looks like here.
You got another. Rudy got another in here. Oh yeah.
There you go. I'm pretty sure it's a small one.
Rudy didn't got a nice one here.
I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
Got a little pull to him.
Rudy's got a little fishy here, babe. We're educating these juveniles on what not to hit on. That's what we're doing right now. Yeah, yes sir.
Be slashed. Not gonna make it.
Alright folks, there's a crab swimming against the current coming towards me. Looks like he's got something in his paw. Yeah, that's a crab, alright. Oh boy, okay. Wish I had a scoop net for that son of a gun.
Big sucker?
Crab. That crab right there along the trussels, sheephead would swim a mile for that crab, folks. Look at him, fighting that current. Throughout the 3 cast rule, folks, it's 9 o'clock. We got 42 trout. And it slowed down, so we said 3 cast rule, and my boy hooks one right there. Boom. They're making a stop at the redfish hole, folks. See if we can catch a couple of redfish. Might be hanging up in here. Tide's coming in. Coming around that, over there, around that, yeah. Going through the locks. Alright, folks, we're going through the locks right now. ICW Avenue locks. I used to fish like that. Fish inside the locks. You hang up a lot. But I'd be on the end of it, or the backboard wall and so forth. towards Paris Road. Another crab, folks. I don't know if y'all can see them right out there, swimming on top of the water. Alright, folks, it's 10:10. We're back in the pen, heading in. Got the 43 trout. And out of 43, we kept 3. It's fun though. We educated at least 60, 70 trout today with not to bite on. Anyway, it was a fun day. Getting a little warm, we're heading in. I built a new house over here. That's new. The people that bought this area is really putting some money into it. They're sinking a lot of money into it. Should be competition for 5 Beverly. I think it's bait ink competition for bait ink. I just think it's a better place to launch too. Better parking lot. Easier to get to. My thoughts anyway. We used to catch trout all up there. I mean big trout right up there. Because they built that dam and the trout don't come back here anymore. They got 25, 26 feet of water up in here where we're at right now. Nice and deep. Folks, that's the color water I like. That's beautiful. Dark, black looking, clean water. That probably would be a 7+. I don't have a lure to put the water up there to see it. Yeah, caught a lot of fish in here. A lot of trout. I mean big trout too. A lot of reds too. Such an easy place to fish. I used to come out here with my flatboat with no motor and I'd paddle over to where I pointed to and fish that area over there. That's the cold storage building they're building over there. That big ass building. Yeah, folks, look at the dock they built. They're doing a good job.